Welcome to the Digital Tourism Show, episode 266. Now, this is just a quick video to say that as of the 3rd of February and for the next 10 weeks after, I will be launching a weekly 5-minute workshop series that will highlight one aspect of digital marketing or business growth that you can do for 5 minutes a day within your business to help you gain more exposure, build more trust, and give you more opportunities to generate bookings and inquiries. I will cover such topics as email marketing, video production, competitor analysis, building reviews, sales processes, and much, much more. Now, these are designed to give you quick to-dos that don't take up much of your time, but will help grow your business if you just take 5 minutes out of your day for each of the tasks that we will cover. Not only that, but I will provide downloadable guides and templates that you can use to help speed up the process. So keep your eyes out on the 3rd of February, where we'll be first covering review building. Look forward to seeing you there.